Hi friends, welcome back to my channel infomorebox. Today I am going to provide more information about CA cold storage in Himachal Pradesh which is available for sale. Unlock your path to prosperity. Invest in Himachal's CA cold storage business. Infrastructure of this cold storage spanning across the 8.5 giga land with 26,000 square feet area. With meticulous temperature control ranging from 1 degree to 8 degree, each produce find its ideal climate and prolonging its shelf life. This facility stands as a testament to durability and innovation with state-of-the-art machine at its core. Backed by a dedicated team of 6 permanent staff members supplemented by flexible labor as needed. This facility serves a wide range of storage include apples, carrots, potatoes, onion, cabbage, mixed vegetable, etc. The cold storage facility highlighting its 16 spacious chambers. Built with robust construction and engineered for massive capacity of 2,500 metric tons with 62,000 boxes. With an investment of 9.8 crore, the business offers a lucrative annual revenue consistently surpassing the 2 crore rupees mark. With a solid foundation built on years of success, this cold storage business presents a rare opportunity for investors. Whether you are looking to expand your portfolio or enter the agribusiness sector, this is your chance to contact us. Thanks for watching this video.